Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. What I thought I'd do today is look back into the Tickle trunk, or the mod box as you might refer it to. Tickle trunk is an old Mr. Dress Up thing that I used to watch when I was a child. That's why I call it Tickle trunk, just in case you're wondering. But let's go look at the Tickle trunk and see what we can find. Okay, so let's take a look here. Quad lock, fender extender, shift and brake levers. Here it is. Let's look at this. It says R1250GS, but that's just a foot stand extender, side stand extending foot thing. So something I got from China. They didn't have an R1250 one, but I grabbed the R1200 because I don't think it makes that much difference. The footprint's about the same, so let's install this and see what happens. All right, welcome to my garage in the mess that it is. Anyway, side stand foot extender. Let's put it on. I need an Allen key of some kind. I don't know what size it is, but let's see. It is a 4. And I'll put a link down in the description of where I got it. But I got it from China at the online website AliExpress, and compared to other side stand foot extenders from Enlarger, it was considerably less expensive. Not that I want to support China, but it is what it is. Now I'm not sure I know how this goes on, but I'm sure it just goes on like that. Actually, what I should have done is add Loctite. Gotta add some Loctite to these little bolts. And it's just blue 242 Loctite. And I certainly hope it goes on like this, although there's no instructions. It should be self-evident how this works, but okay. I'll just snug it up. Now, when I had my Triumph Tiger 800 XCA, and I bought a side stand foot extender for that bike, when I put it on, the foot extender actually interfered with my center stand, so I couldn't actually use it. So I'm hoping that this will be different and not interfere with the center stand. Okay, that's about as tight as I want to get it, I think. And that doesn't interfere with my foot either. Oops, sorry about the light. It just went off. That's not very good. Let me see if I can get activated again. There we go. All right. So that's the foot extender and its operation. It doesn't interfere much at all. Looks good though. All right, and that's it. Until next time, bye for now.